Hello everybody, it's deliciousVB here, back with another video. So today, I'm bringing you a slightly shorter video than normal. We will be going over a little code I've created. It's the autocomplete code. I was actually inspired by a question I saw. So I said, why don't I make a tutorial on an autocomplete code? So I said, okay, let's do this. So I created this little code here. I've already created it. I'm not doing it live because it did take a little bit of experimenting. It wasn't a very easy code, but didn't take that long, probably about 30 minutes in total to come up with this code and then fix all the problems I had. Maybe not even 30 minutes, so not a very hard code, but here it is nonetheless. So we're going to start out by saving the current selection start as an integer. The reason I did this was I actually did this after I did the main code because it's a bug fix. It goes along with this down here. It's just part of a bug fix. Now AC as Boolean equals true. This says, should I autocomplete or not? It's a Boolean. Should I autocomplete or not? So it says here, by the way, it's very important. Look at the form. There's a combo box and there's a button. I mean, that button can be used for anything, but usually there's a go button or, an event when you press the enter key. Excuse me. So go to items and, put anything you want in items. Anything. I put a bunch of different things. Hi, bye, YouTube, thanks, awesome, deliciousVB, and refrigerator. Just completely random words. And I use them to test this out. So just put in random words. Now, I said here, if e.KeyCode equals Keys.Backspace, or e.KeyCode equals Keys.ControlKey, or Keys.Control, or Keys.Shift, or Keys.CapsLock Then, don't autocomplete, because this, I actually found out that the backspace especially really messes it up. Just do this, okay? Trust me, the backspace really messes it up if you don't have that line. Okay, for each item as string in ComboBox1.Items, so this is finding every single item there is. It says if AC equals true, then, so if it's true, if we want to autocomplete, then go on. If item.StartsWith ComboBox1.Text, then declare length as integer, dim length as integer equals ComboBox1.Text.Length. And then you want to say ComboBox1.Text plus equals item.Substring. So item is the item that we found that starts with what you're currently typing. So let's say you're starting to type YOU, item, in this case would be the string YouTube. So it finds the length of the current text and it says add the text, add the following text to the combo box. And it adds item, but not the whole item, because if it added the whole item, then it'd look like you type in Y and then it'd add YouTube. You typed in O and it'd add YouTube again, and it'd be Y YouTube O YouTube. It'd just be really bad. So you don't want to add the whole YouTube. Just want to add, or not the whole. You don't want to add the whole string. You want to only add the string starting from the current length of the combo box, current text length of the combo box. And then selection start equals length. So ComboBox1.SelectionStart. So you move your selection start back to the length of the text of the combo box, which is before the highlight, before the suggestion. It would come before. It'd just be where you're currently typing. because this is from a variable from before you add. And the text, so it goes back to that. And then next thing is ComboBox1.SelectionLength equals item.Length. So then it selects item.Length. So if you type in y, first what it does is it declares the length as the current length of the text, which is 1, and then it adds the text of the item, which in this case the item is YouTube, but not the whole YouTube, else it'd be y YouTube. It just adds a substring of YouTube starting from ComboBox1.Text.Length, which in this case is 1. So substring starting from 1, that'd get you OUTUB, OTube, and then this brings it back to the original length, which is 1. So your cursor, your caret goes back to 1, after the first character, and then it selects the length of the item. I am actually not completely sure that would work. Maybe I'll have to do some testing. And then it says ace equals false, because you don't want to autocomplete anymore. If you've already autocompleted once, you don't want to give it another suggestion. So, and if, and then next, which ends for each. So ComboBox1.SelectionStart equals SS. So these 3 lines, just copy and paste them. They're very important because they fixed a little glitch I had if you typed really fast. Then there would just be stupid, crazy glitch. Anyway, it is also important that this whole code is in key up, not key down, not text change. Make sure it's in key up. Now, I do recommend you type this code out so you learn, but because it's a long and, just because it's a long code, I am putting it in the description. So look in the description. It's in there somewhere. May have to scroll to the bottom, which could be a ways. But anyway, that's basically that. So you can click run now and type in Y, and look, it works. OMG. Now, the only problem, it doesn't actually autocomplete word by word. It only autocompletes by the whole thing, and you can backspace. Oops, spelled it wrong there. And it works. Overall, it works. Like words, but the word that you're auto-correcting must be in here. So like deliciousVB, and it is case sensitive. I was just testing it out. So now, here's my question. Let me add, quickly, an item that has more than one word. So, hello, awesome subscribers. Now, I add that. Now, I don't know if it's hello, awesome. Wow, it actually works. That's pretty surprising, to be honest. But it works like really well. So again, it must be in the key up event or else it won't work. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned something from this code. Again, the code is in the description. I hope this helps you on whatever project you're doing, whether it be a file browser or an internet browser, whatever you're doing. I hope this code helps you a little bit. Again, the code is in the description. You can copy and paste, though I do recommend you really go through it and understand it line by line. And if you do have any questions or suggestions, or please help me with this, or like make a tutorial about this, please leave a comment below. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoy my content, make sure to subscribe, leave a like on the video if you learned something, leave a comment if you're confused. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.